Modern American car. The modern American car is a symbol of innovation, power, and style, reflecting the country's deep-rooted love for automobiles. From muscle cars to electric vehicles, the American automotive industry has continuously evolved, adapting to technological advancements, consumer demands, and environmental concerns. Over the years, American cars have set benchmarks in engineering, safety, luxury, and performance. Today, they represent a fusion of tradition and innovation, blending the classic spirit of American motoring with cutting-edge technology. The journey of the modern American car can be traced back to the early 20th century, when Henry Ford revolutionized the industry with the assembly line. This innovation made cars more affordable and accessible to the masses, shaping the culture of personal mobility in the United States. The automobile became an integral part of American society, influencing lifestyles, city planning, and even pop culture. Over the decades, automakers like Ford, General Motors, and Chrysler dominated the industry, producing some of the most iconic vehicles in history. As the decades passed, American cars evolved to meet the demands of different generations. The 1950s and 1960s were defined by stylish, powerful vehicles, with brands like Chevrolet, Dodge, and Pontiac producing legendary muscle cars such as the Chevrolet Camaro, Dodge Charger, and Ford Mustang. These cars symbolized freedom, speed, and raw power, appealing to enthusiasts who craved high-performance vehicles. The muscle car era cemented America's reputation as a leader in car manufacturing, with designs that remain admired even today. However, the oil crisis of the 1970s brought challenges to the American car industry. Rising fuel prices and stricter regulations forced manufacturers to rethink their approach. Fuel efficiency became a priority, leading to the development of more compact cars and innovations in engine technology. Despite these challenges, American automakers continued to innovate, ensuring that their vehicles met changing consumer needs while maintaining their identity. The 1980s and 1990s saw the rise of new trends in the American automotive industry. Sports cars, SUVs, and luxury sedans gained popularity, and companies like Ford, GM, and Chrysler expanded their offerings. The introduction of advanced safety features, improved aerodynamics, and computerized systems marked a significant shift in car manufacturing. The American car industry embraced globalization, competing with European and Japanese automakers while continuing to produce vehicles that reflected American tastes and driving habits. Entering the 21st century, the modern American car experienced a technological revolution. The introduction of hybrid and electric vehicles marked a shift towards sustainability and efficiency. Companies like Tesla led the charge in electric vehicle production, challenging traditional automakers to adapt. Ford and General Motors responded by investing heavily in electric and autonomous vehicle technology, ensuring that American cars remained at the forefront of innovation. One of the most significant advancements in modern American cars is the integration of smart technology. Modern vehicles come equipped with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, voice-activated controls, and advanced infotainment systems. Connectivity has become a major focus, with cars now capable of syncing with smartphones, providing real-time traffic updates, and even offering semi-autonomous driving capabilities. These features enhance convenience, safety, and the overall driving experience. Another defining characteristic of modern American cars is their focus on performance and efficiency. Automakers have developed high-performance engines that balance power with fuel economy. Turbocharged engines, lightweight materials, and hybrid powertrains have become standard in many vehicles, allowing for better fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. Electric vehicles (EVs) have further revolutionized the industry, with models like the Ford Mustang Mach-E and Chevrolet Bolt proving that sustainability and speed can coexist. American automakers have also made strides in safety technology. Modern vehicles come equipped with advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS), which include automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and collision avoidance systems. These features help reduce accidents and make driving safer for both passengers and pedestrians. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) and other regulatory bodies have played a key role in ensuring that American cars meet stringent safety standards, making them some of the safest vehicles on the road. The rise of electric vehicles has reshaped the American automotive landscape. With increasing concerns about climate change and government policies promoting clean energy, EVs have become a major focus for automakers. Tesla, an American company founded by Elon Musk, has led the way with its high-performance electric cars, pushing the industry toward an all-electric future. Established brands like Ford and General Motors have followed suit, launching their own electric models and investing in battery technology to extend range and improve charging infrastructure. Autonomous driving technology is another frontier in the evolution of modern American cars. Companies like Waymo, Tesla, and major automakers are developing self-driving technology that aims to make transportation safer and more efficient. While fully autonomous vehicles are still in development, features like self-parking, adaptive cruise control, and AI-powered navigation systems are already available in many models. The potential for self-driving cars to reduce traffic congestion, lower accident rates, and improve fuel efficiency is driving further research and development in this field. The design of modern American cars has also evolved significantly. While classic muscle cars and large SUVs remain popular, there is a growing trend toward sleek, aerodynamic designs that enhance fuel efficiency and performance. Interior design has also improved, with premium materials, digital dashboards, and customizable seating arrangements becoming standard in many vehicles. Automakers are focusing on creating comfortable, tech-savvy interiors that cater to the needs of modern drivers. Despite the many advancements, the American car industry faces several challenges. Competition from international brands, supply chain disruptions, and the high cost of transitioning to electric and autonomous vehicles are some of the hurdles automakers must overcome. However, the resilience of the industry, coupled with its ability to adapt to changing trends, ensures that American cars will continue to evolve and thrive. Consumer preferences also play a significant role in shaping the future of modern American cars. Younger generations prioritize sustainability, technology, and affordability, influencing automakers to develop vehicles that align with these values. Subscription-based car ownership models, ride-sharing services, and advancements in mobility solutions are reshaping how people view car ownership, pushing the industry toward new business models and innovations. The role of government policies and environmental regulations cannot be overlooked in the evolution of modern American cars. Stricter emission standards and incentives for electric vehicle adoption have accelerated the transition to cleaner energy. Sources: automakers are investing heavily in research and development to create more efficient batteries, improve charging infrastructure, and reduce the environmental impact of manufacturing processes. The push for a greener future is driving the industry towards sustainable solutions that balance performance, affordability, and environmental responsibility. In conclusion, the modern American car is a remarkable blend of history, innovation, and adaptability. From the muscle car era to the rise of electric and autonomous vehicles, the industry has undergone significant transformations while staying true to its core values of performance, safety, and style. As technology continues to advance and consumer preferences evolve, American automakers will continue to shape the future of transportation, ensuring that their vehicles remain a symbol of progress and ingenuity. Whether it's the roar of a classic V8 engine or the silent power of an electric motor, the American car remains an icon of mobility and innovation, ready to embrace the future with confidence and ambition.